Hello everyone and welcome back to Budi Network Academy. In the previous video, we learned about VLAN configuration and the steps we need to follow to build a VLAN based network. Now, it's time to move from theory to practice. In this video, we are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer to build our network and configure VLANs on a switch. We will create our VLANs, assign switch ports, configure the PCs, and then test whether the devices can communicate. We will also verify our configuration and troubleshoot a simple VLAN problem. So let's open Packet Tracer and build our VLAN network together. Let's get started. Hello everyone, and now we'll start configuring VLAN on a switch. First of all, we need to create VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. First we enter to the switch, then to the privilege mode enable, then to the terminal mode configure. Terminal, okay, VLAN 10, name it IT, exit, VLAN 20, name it HR, exit. Okay. Second step, assign ports to VLANs. We need to assign FA01 to VLAN 10, FA02 to VLAN 10 2, FA03 to VLAN 20. Okay. First of all, we need to enter to the interface. Interface FA01. We need to make a switch port access mode because it is connected to a PC, which is an end device. Okay, switch port, we need to assign the port to a access VLAN 10. Okay, so the same for the FA02. We need to add it the same to make it mod access and add it to VLAN 10. While for the FA03 we need it to make it mod access and assign it to VLAN 20. Okay, exit. Now we have done step 1 and step 2. Step 3, we need to configure IP addresses on the PCs. Okay, here we have to assign the IP on each PC. 192.168.10.10. okay, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. okay, PCB 192.168.10.20/24. PCC 192.168.20.10/24. okay. Step 3 done. Now step 4, test connectivity. I will ping from PCA to PCB, then from PCA to PCC. We go to desktop and here. Okay. Now we need to ping 192.168.10.20. This is the IP of the PCB successfully, because they are on the same IP network and on the same VLAN. Okay, now we need to ping to PCC. Ping 192.168.20.10. This is the IP of PCC. Okay, enter. As you see here, the ping is failing because they are not on the same VLAN and they are not on the same IP network. This is the fourth step. Let's see the fifth step. Verify the VLANs. This is we need to use the command which is show VLAN brief. Show VLAN brief. Okay, here we can see that VLAN 10, which is IT, is assigned to FA01 and FA02, and the same for VLAN 20 assigned to FA03. Okay, this is the video of the configuration of VLAN in a switch. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to another demonstration using Cisco Packet Tracer. Now we know to troubleshoot for a problem, which is we are trying to ping from PCA to PCB, but the ping is failing. Let's try with a quick demonstration. Go to PCA and let us make a ping from here. Okay, ping the IP of the PCB. It is 192.168.10.20. Okay, as we see here that the ping is failed. Okay, now we need to check the problem. Okay, the IP is correct, and the switch is connected to the PC, and everything is fine here. Okay, let us check the ports on the switch if they are assigned correctly. Okay, let's enter to the switch, CLI, then enable. Then there is a command that check the ports which are assigned to the VLANs, which is show VLAN brief. Okay, enter. Now we can see that VLAN 10, which is IT, is just assigned on port FA01, while HR, which is VLAN 20, is assigned in two ports, which is FA02 and FA03. FA02 is connected to the PCB and FA01 is connected to PCA. So it is assigned by mistake to VLAN 20 FA02. So we need to correct the problem. How to correct the problem? First of all, we need to enter to a privilege mode. Then we need to enter the interface. which is FA02, which is connected to the PCB. Then we need to assign this port to the VLAN 10, which is switch port access VLAN 10 and exit and copy run start to save the configuration. Okay, great. So let us try again to ping B again. Okay, from here try the same command, which is this, and now it is pinging. So the issue was solved successfully. Thank you for watching. I hope this video make you understand better about the function of the VLAN. And that's it for our practical VLAN lab. Today we created VLANs, assigned switch ports, configured our PCs, tested connectivity, verified the configuration, and even troubleshoot a VLAN problem. The most important thing to remember is that configuration doesn't end when we enter the commands. We should always configure, verify, test, and troubleshoot. This practical approach is something we will continue using throughout our intermediate networking chapter. I hope this lab helped you understand VLANs not only as a concept, but also as something we can actually build and test in a network. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support Budi Network Academy. In our next episode, we will continue our VLAN journey and learn about an important topic, access port and trunk port. We will understand the difference between them, where we use each one, and why trunk ports are important when working with multiple VLANs. Until then, learn, troubleshoot, connect. I am Budi. I will see you in the next video.